Hello guys, if it's 0 likes, I will keep doing it. This is 0 to 99 to 0. So I will do it at so I gotta fast.
Subscribe.
Yeah, subscribe. I work so hard of these videos.
If we get many likes, then we will do it multiple times.
And don't put and comment for part 2.
Yeah!
And we will do it now.
Alright. Gagawin na ni Julia, we keep the promise.
Yeah.
Alright, patingin mo ilang number. Right, a bit closer.
19.
19. I'm sure makikita nyo. Yep, makikita nyo. Tuloyin mo na.
This is my brothers.
Hinihiram namin.
Yeah.
Part 1 ba yan?
Yeah.
Okay.
Pero
Alright.
mahaba yung part 1.
So, gagawa kami ng part 2. Di ba bukas yun?
Yeah.
Alright, gagawa kami ng part 1 bukas.
Part 2.
Alright. Kung gusto nyo mag-part 2, mag-comment kayo pag talagang gusto nyo.
And okay lang kapag walang comments.
Yeah, okay lang. Alright, ilang number na
Kailan
anabot
pa
ni
kasi
Julia? Alright, it's 80. I'm sure makikita nyo.
Kailangan pa mag-learn more eh. Kasi,
Yeah.
kaya okay lang mag-comment. Na hindi mag-comment. Okay?
Tsaka, okay lang pag hindi nag-like. At least, magla-like naman kayo sa part 2 o ngayon na.
It's 0 already. I made it.
Oh, 0. Let's see. It's 0. Pag ano. Alright. Tatry namin ang part 2 na matitigasan to. Di na to magaganon. Alright?
Hindi, wag.
Alright.
Hanggat 100 eh.
Alright. So, see you in part 2 now. That's it for the video.
Bye-bye!
Yeah. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Yeah! If you did not, it's okay. Bang, 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 bang.
At least we do part 1. I mean part 2. Alright.
Yeah.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Forget to slap. Hi guys. Diba alam nyo na yon? So, gagawa kami ng